Hi, I'm Dr. Christina Meekum. I just want to take a few minutes to explain to you how NUCCA Chiropractic Care works. NUCCA stands for National Upper Cervical Chiropractic Association. A man named Ralph Gregory found that years ago, if you adjusted just the atlas bone very specifically and gently, the entire body would balance. Only about 250 people in the world practice the NUCCA chiropractic technique.
It was suggested to me that I come and try this NUCCA chiropractic, which I did, and then my world changed. I basically was able to have hope again.
There is no pain, no discomfort, whatever, during the treatments.
It's a very gentle process. At first, my first response was, I don't know how this is going to work, but it does work, and it's so different than what you experience with other chiropractors.
Don't hesitate.
They should just be comfortable, because you always help people, and for us, we always felt better after.
At some point in your life, if you're having pain now, you probably had an injury, even if you don't remember it. And it tore loose the connective tissue that held your spine together, and it caused it to lock down into a stressed position. This will always show up as a low and a high hip, a long and a short looking leg when you're laying down. They'll be twisting your body framework with muscular imbalance and abnormal movement. And what happens is your bones get stuck and then the joints start to decay. The thing is, your nervous system controls everything. It controls every movement you do and all the muscles that do it. It controls every organ system function in your body and how you perceive and relate to the outside world. NUCCA chiropractic can be used on people of all ages, in any kind of injuries. Because it's such a gentle touch, it can be used on people that are as old as over 100 years old and as young as somebody that's about an hour or two old. I have patients come in with any number of symptoms. If a nerve goes to it, there's a chance that NUCCA chiropractic can help it. Because when your atlas bone misaligns, it contracts that whole spine down like that, a bunch of the bones underneath get stuck. A regular chiropractor will come along and move them to unstick them, which is great. They shouldn't be stuck on each other. But NUCCA chiropractic is going to get really to the root of the problem and balance the whole spine right up here and allow everything to begin to heal on its own.
One of the nice things about dealing with Dr. Meekum is it helps you get in touch with your own body. So after coming here for a period of time, you start to know and you start to feel when you're out, and it gets you in a better place to know when it's time to be adjusted.
Yeah, it really puts you more in control of your own health.
Have faith in NUCCA. It doesn't hurt, and it helps tremendously. It helps with everything you can imagine.
I am now pain-free for about a year. I have not had any headaches at all, and that I credit to this form of chiropractic.
Ever since, Dr. Meekum has taken care of both of my little jewels, Nicholas and Isabel, and I could not be more confident or more delighted at what's happened since then.
When a new patient comes into my office, the first thing we do is sit down with them and find out if we can help them. And if we think we can help, we might recommend an exam or x-rays of your spine to determine exactly what the problem is. It's a three-dimensional view to give us exactly the picture of how your spine is misaligned. It's as individual as a fingerprint.
Dr. Meekum, without naproxen or any other drug, laid me on the table, barely touched me, and all of a sudden I look at my stature and my posture and my shoulders were even. After even one adjustment, I could see the change in my shoulders and everything, and the pain was gone.
I started this practice 8 years ago because I wanted to help whole families live healthier, stronger, longer lives.
I would just recommend that people come in with an open mind and just wait to see the results. And I think they'll be very pleased with the results.
You know, you might be sitting there right now like I was, in horrible pain, not knowing where to turn, not knowing what to try next. You can just come in for a consultation, sit down with me or one of my other wonderful doctors, and find out if NUCCA chiropractic can help you. You have absolutely nothing to lose.